Okay, I'm just going to take you step by step through the process of creating your first Blogger account slash blog. So the key thing is, first off, we're going to go in here and we are going to go to blogger.com. Now, I have a Gmail account, but if you don't have a Gmail account, then you'll have to set one up. So I'm just going to do this quickly using as if I do not have an account. So I have to create an account. And you go through and do this whole process. Now remember, get your parents' permission to do this, but or use their account, but you are going to have to do that in order to set up your account. But once you have your account set up, then you'll go into Blogger and then it's very straightforward. And that's why I selected Blogger for this, because there are some more robust tools for creating blogs, but this is a very straightforward one. So I created this Blogging101, and so I come in here. You get a lot of stats and all that stuff, but let's just focus on creating creating the blog. So let's do a new. Let's go back here and let's create a new blog. Okay, so we're just going to do a straight one. We'll say Blogging 101.2. We won't worry about this, but we won't worry about coming up with the perfect name. But this, so what you're going to be doing here is just setting up what the name of the website is. So we're going to say Blogging 101.2, and you see it shows you down here what that's going to turn into, and that's the way Blogger does its blog names, is whatever you put in here, then .blogspot.com. All right. So you do want to create something that you like there, but remember, you can do any number of different blogs as you want. So if you don't like this one, then you can change it and do another one by creating a separate blog. And we'll get into templates here in a separate lesson, but let's just, this says Blogging 101. So I'm just going to do this. And it will let you know if the website is available or not. So I'm just going to say Blogging O'Leary Academy. That's not available. 1, 2, 3. What is going on? All right, so that one is available. And so you're going to be able to create some of the different templates. We'll get into that later. So I'm going to create this blog, and then I can go in here and post. Don't worry about the Google domains now. We're going to do no thanks, move past that. You can see a bunch of statistics, and there are two ways that you can create a new post. You can either create a new post from here, clicking New Post, or you can go to the page itself, which we'll do here in a second, and click on Post from the page. All right, but this is where what we want to do is just, so it's the same interface, but if I go to the blog itself, so you can see up here on the domain name, it's the blog, and then I come here and do New Post. Either way, it's going to take me to the same location. All right, so I'm going to do this. I'm just going to say First Post. And what you can see here is that you have some tools. They're not that dissimilar from what you do if you're submitting an article in the newspaper. You can come in here and do the straight HTML if you want, or you can use this What You See Is What You Get editor. This is your undo, different fonts, headings, sizes, etc. If you want to add, let's see, add video, you can do that. And we'll do some of this stuff moving forward, but just to show you, it's a very simple editor, adding links, adding images, etc. Okay, and we'll experiment with different things to do moving forward, but the real goal is just to do something. This is my first post. Okay, And then once you're done, you come over here and click publish. Now you could save this. It automatically saves, but you could save it. You can preview it to see what it looks like, right? Or you can just close without savings, but we're going to do publish. And now, if I go to my blog, there's my first post, okay? So our goal here is just to get started, put the blog together. There's lots of stuff that we're going to be able to explore. You see this automatically integrates with being able to post to email or post to other blogs or post to Twitter or post to Facebook or post to Pinterest or post to Google Plus, or you can do comments or not do comments, all sorts of things. But the real goal here is just to do this first blog post, all right?